Good day, Ma'am Cindy Lasco. This video is all about the summary of Chapter 1 and Chapter 4. Introduction to Computing, Riza Niel Ibañez is IT 1B. And Topic 1, Computing Industry, Computing Discipline. This lesson will introduce the different computing disciplines in the computing industry, including the understanding of the role of IT within these disciplines. Computing disciplines and majors, we have a computer engineering, computer science, information systems, information technology, software engineering, and the last mixed disciplinary major is very important, bioinformatics, artificial intelligence, computer forensic, cryptology, and the last mechatronics. Computing discipline major, I have a three example, which is computer science, computer engineering, information technology. And also, I have an example din sa mixed disciplinary majors, bioinformatics, cryptology, artificial intelligence. Chapter 4, Introduction to the World of Computers. This lesson will introduce what computers are, its history, how they work, its basic types, and how they are used, and its social impacts especially. What does a computer do? A computer can perform four general operations, which is input data into a computer, processing, performing operations on the data. Number 3, output, presenting the result, storage, saving data, programs, or output. Computer to the fit every need. 6 basic categories of computers: embedded computers, mobile devices, personal computers, main-range servers, mainframe computers, software computers. Types of computer. Number 3, personal computer, a computer designed to be used by one person at a time. Desktop computer, portable computer, tablet, ultra-mobile, or PC handheld computer. Types of computer. Number 4, main-range server computer, a medium-sized computer used to host program and data for a small network. For example, medical or dental offices, school computer lab, and home and business servers. And the last example, types of computer. Number 5, mainframe computer, a powerful computer used by many large organizations to manage large amount of centralized data and programs. Example, hospital, universities, banks, government, and offices. Computer and society. We have a computers in a home, computer in the workplace, computers on the go, computers in education. Today, computers are used widely because they are more efficient than human beings. So, human beings, computer in a society, kay na hubog na sa computer ang atuang society karon or industry, which is education, government, business, offices, medical, entertainment, and the last, the internet. And chapter 2, the system unit, processing and memory. Topic 2, data and program presentation, digital data presentation, the bit binary digit, the smallest unit of data that can be stored in a computer, 0, 1, 0 or 1. Byte, a group of 8 bits, bit pattern, a string of bits. Example, 100111011011001. Bit, for example, diri mo ni siya. Kung ihapon ni mo ni siya 101011100. Next, data. Data unit conversion 1 KB, which is kilobyte 1000 byte, 1 MB megabyte equals 1 million bytes, 1 gigabyte equals 1 billion bytes, 1 TB or terabyte equals 1 trillion bytes, 1 PB or petabyte equals 1000 terabytes. So I have an example of computer, a motherboard. A motherboard is a main circuit board inside a system unit. It has a variety of chips, boards, and connectors attached to it. External devices such as monitor, keyboard, mice, printers connect to the motherboard through plugging into a port. And inside of the system unit, a system unit contains one or more processors, several types of memory, interface to connect internal peripheral devices such as printer, and other components all interconnected through set of wires called buses on the motherboard. So inside of the system unit, the main case of computer houses a processing hardware for a computer, also contains a storage devices that the power supply and cooling fan, houses processors, memory interfaces to connect to peripheral devices, printers, and each and other components with the desktop computer usually look like a rectangular bus. So these are the inside of the system unit. And ports and connectors. Port, a connector on the interior of a computer system unit to which a device may be attached. Typical desktop computer port include power connector, firewire, VGA monitor, network, USB, audio, and HDMI. Other include Bluetooth ports, ASATA ports, Thunderbolt ports. Apple devices, most computers support the plug and play standard. So, mo ni siya ang ato ang likod sa ato ang computer system, which is natay power supply, power connector, and then a mouse, and the green is mouse, and the violet is keyboard, and then we have a LAN or local area network, which is Ethernet connection for the router, and then security lock port, expansion slot, and microphone jack, audio out jack, and line in jack. And this side is mo na mong isaksak sa likod sa imuhang unit na dali ang VGA, DVI, or HDMI. Next is understanding of computers storage. Number 3 or topic 3. Magnetic tape system. We have a floppy disk low capacity removal test made of flexible plastic and hard drive. 3 categories: magnetic hard drive, and number 2 solid state drive, and number 3 hybrid hard drive. And the read-only optical test and rewritable optical test, CD-ROM, DVD-ROM, and BD-ROM tests. These tests are read-only optical tests not come pre-recorded and user can be write. So, naghisgot na siya diri og read-only. So, di niya siya maka-write. or something maka-input og data. So next, CDR, DVD-R, DVD plus R, and BDR test. These tests are recordable optical tests, write once test but cannot be erased afterward. So kung masudlan na nimo siya, dili na nimo or dili na nimo ma-erase or something, di na nimo siya ma ma-erase ana siya. Di na mo siya mabalik or di na po nimo na siya ma-input kay there's a limited in the CD. So, the last CD RW, DVD RW, DVD plus RW, and DVD RE tests. These tests are rewritable optical tests that can be written to erase and overwriting many times. So, mo ni siya ang pinaka the best sa ilahang tulo, ang maka-rewrite ka, maka-erase ka, and then mas dako ni siya og capacity kaysa sa duha. Mas dako ni siya og kanang storage kung baga. Next is a flash memory storage system. Flash memory is a chip-based storage medium that stores data using electrons, which is electrical charge trap or not 0 or 1 within flash memory cell. A flash memory card, a small rectangular flash memory medium containing chips such as a compact flash and a secure. And the last is the common is USB flash drive, universal serial bus drive, a small storage device that plugs into a USB port and contains flash memory media. Next, computer storage or memory devices. We have a hard disk, RAM, ROM, CD, DVD, CD or DVD, floppy, memory card, pin, drive, and tape. And Intel Museum, journey through decades of innovation, discover the people of technology that changed our world. So, they have a mao ni siya ang atuang museum sa Intel. Nadira tanan ang mga history and then innovation. Yeah. And then history of museum according for Robert Noyce, Intel's and the co-inventors of the integrated circuit. He made numerous contribution to the advancement of technology. And the next, making silicon chips from fortified silicon to technology that powers your everyday life. Discover the making of silicon chips, the most complex devices ever manufactured. Nor siya ang silicon. Next is together we can do impossible things according for Intel. No na ilahang motor pinanghahawakan. There's nothing impossible things so we can do daw. And then the life of an innovator. These are the history or decades of to innovate of this the world of computer, of the storage or anything na ilahang innovate hantud karon na Japon siya, and then nagkaanam-anam og evolved ang computer, and then mas nagkaanam-anam pa jud siya. Then next, number 4, topic 4, hard drive storage. This my brochure making. And exercise number 1, how to draw. Wait a minute. And exercise number 1, how to draw. This is my drawing of keyboard. And next, laboratory exercise number 1, keyboard familiarize. These are the keyboard familiarize on how to type or familiarize your finger in the keyboard. And then next, hands position on keyboard, especially the two hands of Ang imuhang duha ka kuan kakamot is ibutang dapat nimo sa keyboard para mas paspas ang imuhang pag-type. And mao na siya ang proper sa pag-type. Hands position na keyboard. Next is a practice typing, and this is my score of practice typing, which is kuan kay siya kanang mas ma-improve ang imuhang pagpaspas at ay pang mas ma-improve imuhang typing kung magagamit ka or nagadula ka about how faster as you can na mas ma-improve ang imuhang pag-typing just is, mas mapa-improve jud imong pag-typing mo na siya. And the next is the laboratory exercise number 3, computer timeline, which is history of computers. And abacus was an early aid of mathematical, and there have a shake card, S key card, calculator, clock, and the first gear drive-in calculating machine to actually muna siya ang ato ang history jud muna siya. The next ENIAC and ONIAC. So ang kalayan nila is the ONIAC computer was very large in size, and then the ONIAC computer has made in 1951. This computer was faster, so mas ka gikan sa ENIAC padulong sa ONIVAC is nagka-evolve ang computer. Mas faster na daw siya, then mas smallest kaysa sa ENIAC. And then the computer generation mao ni atong kabuuan. The first generation na na-invento is a vacuum tube. Second generation is transistors. Third generation integrated circuitries is IC. And number fourth generation macro processors. And fifth generation in now evolve of our computer, which is what we call artificial intelligence. And this is my summary of topic 1, computing industry and computing discipline. Topic 2, introduction to the world of computers. Topic 3, hardware, the systems unit, processing and memory. Number 4, hardware storage, and this is all about the summary of chapter 1 and chapter 4. And that's all. Thank you and have a nice day.